kids. Welcome to Sarah the Science Kid Show. Hello kids, I'm Sawyer the Science Kid, and today fams, we are going to do an experiment called Balloon Genie. What you'll need: lab goggles, spoon, measuring cup, balloon, funnel, which we have right here, baking soda, which we have right here, flask right here, and vinegar right there. If you need help from mom or dad, be sure to ask them. Step 1, we're gonna take this balloon and put it on the bottom of a funnel, which can't do it. Can't do it. It's so stretchy. Oh gosh. Hey. I needed some help from mom and dad to put the balloon on, and you might need help for the balloon because the balloon's a little too short to put on the funnel. Step 2, pour 1 teaspoon of baking soda into funnel, which we're gonna do right now. Well, the scoop is still on. Take it with one hand, do this, need that other hand, pour this in here, just like so. Going into the geez. Okay. Step 3. Take balloon off of funnel and place funnel on flask. So, I'm gonna do this. Just popped off. Set the balloon down. Step 4. Pour about 2 ounces of vinegar into the flask. So, we're gonna put this on here. And 2 ounces of vinegar. Oh goodness. Yo, need help. Cut. Now will be a good time for mommy and daddy to help. Now that we have some vinegar in the cup, 2 ounces, we're gonna put it in the flask. Ready? Step 5. Carefully place balloon over top of the flask. Now will be a good time for mommy and daddy to help. 6. Slowly tilt balloon up, allowing the baking soda to go into flask. Watch the magic happen. As you can see, the balloon became filled with gases. This is because in baking soda, a base chemical mixes with vinegar and acid chemical, also known as acetic acid. It reacts and creates a gas. This gas is called carbon dioxide. Till next time, kids. Remember to keep experimenting, keep learning, and have fun! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.